Good morning everyone, it's Vlogmas Day 16 and right now I'm on the dress for work. I'm going to head out now. Don't want to wake up my family, so I'm speaking very soft. I'm heading to work. I wish I didn't have to go to work, but I have some papers to mark and I have classes, so I have to go to work again. So I will see you guys at work. Welcome back everyone. Today I will be doing a painting for you guys. I'm going to paint this for you. I'm going to paint it blindfolded. My printer ran out of ink, so this is how it looks. I'm going to paste it here to remind you guys what I'm painting, but the original is this. So I'm gonna put it here. So let's get started. Oh, by the way, for the blindfold, I did a semi DIY dress, and this came off the dress, so I will be using it as the blindfold today. Alright, so let's get started. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to put the paint on the palette so I can have a sort of a remembrance of what paint I should use in order or something like that, so I don't mess up the painting as much. So I'm going to put the paints on the palette now, and then I blindfold myself, then begin. So now I'm going to get the blindfold. I keep looking here and not here. Anyways, let's just do this. So I'm closing my eyes. Oh Lord. And then oh my God, I forgot. What was it again? It's hard. Alright, so it's orange background, red clouds. Alright, so let's start off. Alright. Red, orange. Oh, that is red. Is that red? So hopefully guys, I can remember the colors so that I can paint this thing properly. Alright, so I'm going to start off with a yellow. Trying to get my brush. Oh, not the correct brush. Why did I choose to do this? This is not the brush. Where is the brush? Oh yeah, this is the brush. Alright. This is the yellow. Alright, so I'm starting off with the yellow. And it's not the black, so I think this is the white and not the black. Is this the white on my finger or the black? Crap, I should have thought this out a bit different. Alright, probably this is the black. And alright, this was harder than I thought. This is harder than I thought. Oh man. Alright, so I think this is the white. What? Yeah, this seems to be the white. Oh Lord. Alright, so this is the, yeah, this is the white. Yeah, so I'm not sure what colors are on my hand, but I'm not going to waste the paint, so I'm going to put it there just the same. So I'm going to put it and fade it out in the sky. So, alright, there you go. Okay, I'm gonna need more white because I feel as if the white is not covering everything. I'm gonna try and use back the yellow. Alright, I think it's coming now. Yeah, I think it's coming on now. I think it is coming on. Yeah, kind of feel it painting. Kind of feel the paper covering, so that's a good sign. Okay, I'm trying again with the white, get the areas covered. And let the colors blend. Alright, so I'm going to try a different color. So after the yellow, I'm going to use the orange. So I'm going to use the orange. I don't know which color is this at this point. Alright, so I'm gonna blend again with the white because I'm still feeling like areas don't have paint as yet. Like this section here doesn't have any paint. Yeah, this section has paint. Like this section doesn't have any paint. So maybe I'm gonna use some of the orange or the red for that section. And then blend everything with the white. Then I start putting in the clouds. Okay. Alright, so here it is. Alright. Blend, blend, blend. Okay, so time for the clouds. So I'm going to use the white. If I can find the white. I think this is the white. I think this is the, yeah, so for the clouds, which is about here, I'm gonna make my clouds. I think they had some clouds over on the other side, so I'm going to put my clouds on the other side. I think they had some clouds there, not sure. Oh Lord, what color is this on my hand? What color is this, guys? Okay. Alright. I'm going to blend it in anyways. So on this side are some clouds, I think. So I'm taking the paint off my hand and blend it in on the paper. So that's a good one there. Alright, the next thing, I think here supposed to already have the white. I don't remember if they have a line somewhere. A line, I think. No? I don't remember if they had a line, like a black line somewhere, but I'm going to put in that black line, horizontal line that they have here. I'm not sure if they had, but can't remember. So I'm going to just put in my horizontal line to indicate like the mountain or something like that. I'm not sure if the correct picture. Let's see. Alright, so for this middle section, they had some light areas. So we're going to put in the light areas here using more white. So I'm going to wash out my paintbrush because I think this is black. So I'm going to wash out my paintbrush and then go back for the white for the light area. This don't feel like white. Oh Lord, this is not the white. So this part here has like a white shade. I'm putting the white shade here. Whew. I think this is a red or something, so I'm going to put it over on this side. Okay, so I'm going to put in the black tree now. Alright, so at this point I think I'm done because this blindfolded thing not working out so much. So I'm pretty excited to see the end result if I'm that good of a painter. So let's see the result of my painting blindfolded. Out of 10, about a 4 or 5. So let's take off this blindfold. So I use the yellow, the orange, some of the red, the black, and the white. Okay, so hopefully I have some image to indicate what is here. Red on this side, red on that side, red on this side, red on that side, orange, orange, white in the section, clouds, white clouds at the top, and the tree. So that's what I'm picturing in my head as the blindfold is still on. Let's us see what. Drum roll, please. in the world? This is bad. This is really bad. Should I post this video? What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? Seriously, what is this? Alright, so guys, I guess I'm not a good painter blindfolded, but I hope you find this video very funny and enjoyable. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below, and I will see you guys later. Bye.